Hello everyone, in today's video we're talking about why open source software assets need distinct valuation methods. So, let's get started. Collaborative nature. Open source projects require collaborative approaches due to the diverse contributions of multiple contributors. It is complicating traditional valuation methods and emphasizing collective effort and community dynamics. Community impact. The open source community significantly influences software evolution, support systems, and user base, necessitating understanding and quantifying its impact on value assets and their potential for future development. Usage metrics. Open source projects' value should be evaluated using usage metrics like downloads, active contributors, and community engagement, rather than traditional revenue or sales metrics. Contribution dynamics. Valuing open source contributions requires a nuanced approach that acknowledges both individual and corporate involvement, recognizing and attributing value to diverse contributors. Impact on innovation. Open source assets significantly influence proprietary software development and industry trends, driving advancements and shaping the future of technology through their impact on the tech ecosystem. Open source software assets deserve distinct valuation methods that appreciate their collaborative, in essence, community impact, usage metrics, contribution dynamics, and influence on innovation. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more videos and information.